As you can see that here, next question is given, two pulleys 450 mm diameter and 200 mm diameter is given, D1 and D2 is given. D1 is equal to how much it is, 450 mm is given, and D2 is equal to how much it is given, 200 mm is given. Whenever it is given in mm, what you have to do, divided with 1000, divided with, so D1 will become 0.45 meter, and here also divided with 1000. So D2 will become 0.2 meter. So first find out the R1. R1 is equal to D1 by 2 and R2 is equal to D2 by 2. R1 is equal to D1 by 2 and R2 is equal to D2 by 2. So substitute the value of R1. R1 is equal to, D1 value is equal to how much it is given here? D1 value is equal to 0.45 meter is given, divided by 2. So R1 is equal to 0.45 divided by 2. If you solve this one, 0.225 meter. Here you got the value of R1. Similarly, find out the value of R2. R2 is equal to 0.2 divided by 2. R2 is equal to, so here 0.2 divided by 2. So here how much you are getting? 0.1 meter. Here you got the value of R1 and R2. In your question, what is given? Two pulley D1 and D2. So D1 is given in mm divided by 1000, D2 is given in mm divided with 1000. With the help of D1 you got the value in meter, and here D2 you got the value in meter. After that find out R1. R1 is equal to D1 by 2, R2 is equal to D2 by 2. So R1 is equal to D1 by 2, R2 is equal to D2 by 2. Here you got the value of R1 and here you got the value of R2. After, what is mentioned here? Parallel shaft. Which shaft it is? Parallel. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L. Parallel shaft is given. Okay, now x is equal to how much? 1.95 meter. How much it is given? 1.95 meter. This one is given in your question. 1.95 meter apart. Apart means x you have to consider as a x connected by a cross belt. Which belt is given? Cross belt. So here you can mention that which belt connection is given? Cross belt. Okay, na cross belt is given. Find the length of a belt. He is asking to find out the length of a cross belt. He is asking to find out the length of a belt and the angle of contact, and he is asking angle of contact. These two things you have to find out. First you have to find out the length of a cross belt and you have to find out the angle of a cross belt. So first length of a cross belt. First I will write down the formula for length of a cross belt. The formula for a length of a cross belt, the formula is pi R1 plus R2 plus R1 plus R2 whole square by 2 plus 2x. This is the formula for length of a cross belt. This is the formula for length of a cross belt. Pi, the length of a cross belt. The formula is pi R1 plus R2 plus R1 plus R2 by 2 whole square plus 2 into x. This is the formula for length of a cross belt. So here you substitute pi, write down as it is. In place of R1 you can write 0.225 plus in place of R2 0.1 plus write down R1. R1 is 0.225 plus R2 0.1 whole square by 2 plus 2 into x. X value is equal to how much? 1.95 meter. X value is equal to how much? 1.95 meter. R1 plus R2 plus R1 plus R2 by here x is there. Okay, now here x is there. X value is 1.95. If you solve this one with the help of calci, you will get some answer. If you solve this one with the help of calci, you will get some answer. So with the help of calci, if you solve this one, you will get 4.975 meter. How much you will get the value? 4.975 meter. Length of a open belt is equal to, this is the formula. What is the formula? Pi R1 plus R2 plus R1 plus R2 whole square x plus 2x. You know the value of R1, you know the value of R2 and you know the value of x. If you substitute, you will get the length of a open belt. Next one, you have to find out the value of theta. Next one, you have to find out the value of theta. Theta, what the formula for the cross one? What is the formula? 180 minus 2 sine inverse of r1 plus r2 by x. The formula will be 180 minus 2 sine inverse of r1 plus r2 by x. This is the formula for finding the theta. So, what you have to do here, just substitute the value 180 minus 2 sine inverse of r1 value is 0.225 plus r2 value is equal to how much? 0.1, and x value is equal to how much? 1.95. If you substitute here, here you will get the answer like this, 1.87. So here 199.2, 199.2. This answer you will get in degree centigrade. So what you have to do, 199.2 into pi by 180. So here 199.2 into pi by 180. So answer should be 3.47 in radian, 3.87 in radian. This is the value for theta. This one is the value for theta. So first he is asking to find out the angle. See, he is asking to find out the length of the, find the length. He is asking to find out the length. Second, he is asking the angle. And which type of belt it is there? Cross belt is there. Which type of belt it is? Cross belt is there. So here D1 you have to convert into meter, then you have to convert into R1. D2 you have to convert into meter, then R2, and length of a cross belt drive. This is the formula. As you can see, that cross belt pi R1 plus R2 plus R1 plus R2 whole square by x plus 2x. So substitute here, and theta formula 180 plus 2 sine inverse of R1 plus R2 by x. Now next, after that what power can be transmitted? He is asking to find out the power. What power can be transmitted? So he is asking to find out the power when the larger pulley rotate at n value is given. N is equal to how much it is given? 200 rpm. Revolution per minute is given. N value is equal to 200 rpm is given. If the maximum tension means T1 is given, T1 is equal to 1 kilonewton. So T1 is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton, and the coefficient of friction between the belt and pulley, mu is given, mu is equal to 0.25, mu value is given. Okay. So he is asking to find out the power. N is given, T1 is given, and mu is given. I told you, whenever you are going for the power, what you have to do, first you have to find out the belt ratio. T1 by T2 is equal to e to the power of mu theta, that is T1 by T2 is equal to e to the power of mu value is given in your question. How much it is given? 0.25. So 0.25 into 3.47. T1 by T2 is equal to, now with the help of calci, try to solve this one. Here what value is given? 0.25 into 3.47, then close the bracket, then you will get the answer. The whatever you are getting answer, that is ratio answer. Here 2.38. This is the ratio, belt ratio. Next one, you have to find out the power. For finding the power, two formulas are given, this one and this one. When you have to select the second formula, whenever in your problem, if mass is given, density is given, Tc, but from this three, any one of the term is given here? No. So you can go for the first formula. If you are going for the first formula, in that velocity is missing. So try to find out the velocity. Velocity is pi dn1 by 60, pi d1 by 60. So here velocity is equal to pi, you know very well, d1 value is equal to 0.45 into n value is equal to how much? 200 divided by 60. So V is equal to, here with the help of calci, try to find out the value of velocity, pi into 0.45 into 200 divided with 60, So 4.71 meter per second. Here you got the value of velocity. Now write down the formula for power. power is equal to what is the formula? T1 1 minus 1 by e to power of mu theta into V. This is the formula for power. So power is equal to T1, you know how much it is? 1000. 1 into 10 to power of 3. T1 is, as you can see here, T1 is equal to 1 kilonewton. 1 into 10 to power of 3 Newton. Then here 1 minus 1 by e to power of mu value. Mu value is equal to 0.25. There is 0.25 into theta. Theta value is 3.45, 3.47 into velocity. Velocity is 4.71. With the help of this, you will get the value of power. If you want to find out this value, you will get the value of power. You will get the value of power. Power, how much you will get? With the help of this, 2.74 kilowatt. Power is given 2.74 kilowatt. Like this, you have to find out the power. First, you have to find out the length of a cross belt. Then you have to find out the angle of a cross belt. This is the formula for angle of a. This is the formula for angle of a cross belt. And here you find out the length of a cross belt. This one is the length of a cross belt. This is the angle of a cross belt, and this one is the belt ratio, and this one is the power is given, and this one is the velocity is given. Like this, you have to find out. Whenever like this problem is given, you can take these formulas. With the help of these formulas, you can find out. You can find out this one. So here first length of the cross belt, and here angle of the cross belt, and here belt ratio, and here power is given. Here power is given. Like this, you have to find out. Pause. Okay, as you can see here, what is given? A shaft rotating at n is given. In your question, what is given? N is given. So n value is equal to how much it is? 200 rpm. N value is equal to how much? 200 rpm. N value is given. And another shaft, this one you consider as N1, and N2. N2 is equal to how much it is given? 300 rpm. N1 is given and N2 is given. Transmit 6 kilowatt. Power is given. Next one, what is given? Power is given. Power is equal to how much? 6 into 10 to power of 3 watt. 10 into 6 into 10 to power of 3 watt. And the belt is 300 mm. Width is given. B value is equal to how much? 100 mm is given. And thickness is equal to how much? 10 mm is given. And the distance between the shaft is x is equal to how much it is? 4 meter is given. The smaller pulley 0.5 mm in diameter. D1 is given. D1 is equal to how much? 0.5. Already it is given in diameter. So R1 is equal to D1 by 2. D1 is equal to 0.5. 0.5 is equal to 0.25 meter is given. Calculate the stress in the belt. He is asking to find out the stress in the belt. Stress means you have to find out the value of sigma. First one for open belt drive, second one for cross belt drive, and mu value is given. Mu value is equal to how much it is given? 0.3. Mu value is equal to how much it is given? 0.3 for open belt drive. Now first we are finding for open belt drive. First bit, open belt drive, DRIVE. First bit we are finding for open belt drive. Okay na? See here, what is asking? Calculate the stress in the belt for open belt drive. First you have to find out the stress. For finding the stress, one simple formula is there. T1 is equal to sigma BT. T1 is equal to, what is the formula? Sigma BT. So T1 by, here what you have to do, you have to send this to this side. So BT is equal to sigma. So here you don't know the value of T1, but you know the value of B as well as you know the value of thickness. You know the value of B as well as you know the value of thickness. So first find out the T1. T1 with the help of power formula only you have to find out the T1. With the help of power formula only you have to find out the T1. So what you have to do, before finding the power, first try to find out this one. T1 by T2 is equal to e to power of mu theta. T1 by T2 is equal to e to power of mu theta. If you want to find out the power, with the help of power only you will get the value of T1. Remember this one, with the help of power only you will get the value of T1. So if you want to go for the power formula, first what you have to do, you have to take this ratio, T1 by T2 is equal to e to power of mu theta. T1 by T2 is equal to e to power of mu theta. So here you mu value is given, but theta is not given. Theta value anywhere is given here? No, theta value is not given. To find out this theta, which belt is this? Open belt drive is there, cross belt drive is there. As in the question it is not anything is given, cross is mentioned anywhere, not mentioned, cross is mentioned here. So which one you have to select? Open belt drive. Which one is asking to find out the open belt drive? So you have to find out the theta for open belt drive. What is the formula? 180 minus 2 sine inverse of R1 minus R2 by X. This is the formula, 180 minus 2 sine inverse of R1 minus R2 by X. This is the formula. So here you can substitute, but you don't know the value of R2. Here you don't know the value of R2. For finding the R2, this is the formula. What is the formula? N2 by N1 is equal to D1 by D2. N2 by N1 is equal to D1 by D2. So here you know the value of N2. N2 is equal to how much? 300. N1 value is equal to how much? 200 is equal to D1 value is equal to how much? D1 value is equal to 0.5 and D2 value you don't know. Then go for the cross multiplication with the help of calci. If you solve this one, you will get the value of D2. You will get the value of D2. So D2 value with the help of this, see here D1 with go for cross multiplication 0.75 meter, you will get the value of D1. 0.75 meter you will get the value of D1. If you want to find out the R1, D1 divided by 2. So R1 is equal to 0.75 divided by 2. With the help of calci, if you solve this one, you will get the value of R1. With the help of this, you will get the value of R1. 0.75 is given now, you will get the value of R1 with the help of calci if you solve that one. So here 0.375 meter, this is the value of R1, this is the value of R1. So here you got the value of R1. If you substitute in this theta, so theta is equal to, what is the formula for theta? 180 minus 2 sine inverse of R1 minus R2 by X. This is the formula, 180 minus 2 sine inverse of R1 minus R2 by X. So here substitute 180 to sine inverse of R1 value just now you got 0.375 and R2 value how much you got? R2 value with the help of this how much? 0.25. Then X value you know very well. X value is given in your question, that is 4 meter. With the help of calci, try to solve this one. How much the value? 180 minus 176.4 degree. Now what you have to do? 176.4 into pi by 180. Then answer you will get in radian. 176 into pi by 180. The answer should be in radian. That is 3.07 radian. How much you got the theta? Theta is equal to 3.07 degree. You got the theta value. Then this theta value you have to substitute here. So T1 by T2 is equal to e to power of mu theta. T1 by T2 is equal to e to power of mu value is equal to, mu value is given in your question. How much it is? 0.3. So 0.3 into 3.07. So here T1 by T2 is equal to, with the help of calci solve this one. What is the value is given? 0.3 into 3.07. So the answer should be 2.51. 2.51. This is the belt ratio. This is the formula for belt ratio. Next, what you have to do? You have to find out the power. For power, the power is equal to formula T1 1 minus 1 by e to power of mu theta into V. This is the formula for power. But here V is missing. What is missing here? V is missing. So find out the V. V is equal to pi d n by 60. This is the formula for V. V is equal to, what is pi? Pi write down as it is d1. d1 diameter. d1 is how much it is given in your question. d1 just now you got 0.75. That is 0.75. Then n is given in your question. n1 is equal to how much? 200. 200 divided by 60. So V is equal to, with the help of calci, try to find out the value of V. V is equal to shift pi into 0.75 into 200 divided with 60. So here you will get the answer 7.85. How much? 7.85 meter per second. This is the value for velocity. This is the value for velocity. Now substitute here. You know power. Power it is given in your question. How much that is? 60 into 10 to the power of 3. You don't know the value of T1. Let it be like this only. 1 by e to the power of mu. Mu value how much it is given? Mu value is given in your question 0.3. So 0.3 and theta value is given in your question 3.07 into V. Vy is 7.85. This is the value of V. So what you have to do, 60 into 10 to the power of 3, let it be like that only. First simplify this value, then multiply with 7.85. So here you will get like this answer, 1 minus 1 by e to power of open the bracket, that is 0.3 into 3.07, 0.3 into 3.07. So how much you are getting answer? 0.60. Here I will write the answer 0.6018. So 6 into 10 to the power of 3 is equal to T1. Answer into 7.85. So here you are getting 4.72. So 6 into 10 to the power of 3 by 4.72, you will get the value of T1. So T1 is equal to 6 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by answer. So here T1 you got some 1269.90 Newton. The answer should be in Newton, but he is asking to find out the stress. He is asking to find out the stress. To find out the stress, what you have to do? See here, sigma is equal to, what is the formula here? Sigma is equal to T1 by B into T. So sigma is equal to T1, just now you got 1269.90 divided by B value is equal to, B is given 100 into and this one is the 10. So sigma is equal to, how much value is given? 1269.90 divided by 100 into this is 10. So 1.26 Newton per mm square. This is the value of sigma. This one is the value of sigma for open belt drive. See, in your question, two things are given. First one is the open belt drive. So this is the procedure for open belt drive. Suppose cross belt drive is given. Only need to change here the values. Wherever you are finding minus, in place of minus you have to put the plus. Everything will be as it is there. So first bit you have to solve by using the open belt drive. So T1 is equal to sigma Bt. With the help of that you will get the value of sigma. Like this you have to find out, and this one is the velocity. For finding the velocity, pi dn by 60. So whenever you are finding T1, with the help of power only you have to find out the T1. You have to remember this one. Whenever you are going for power, you have to remember that you have to go for the belt ratio. Belt ratio is T1 by T2 is equal to e to power of mu theta. This is the formula for belt ratio. You have to remember this. This is the problem for open belt drive. Next, the same problem, same data you have to use for cross belt drive. Same problem, same data you have to use for the cross belt drive. Okay. Now next bit is in that you have to find out the this is for open belt drive. Now next bit is the cross belt drive. Now cross belt drive. So second bit same thing is there, only some values will be changed and formulated. Cross, this one is the cross, this is belt and this is drive. Next one is the cross belt drive. For cross belt drive again you have to find out the stress only. Again what you have to find out? You have to find out the stress only. So take this one, N1 is equal to 200 rpm, N2 is equal to 300 rpm, power is equal to 6 into 10 to power of 3 watt with this same thickness, X is D2 is given, smaller diameter is known as D2, smaller diameter is known as D2, remember that one. Then R2 is equal to D2 by 2 you got, then sigma you have to find out mu. First you have to find out this one only, T1 by T2 is equal to E to power of mu theta, again theta is missing. For finding theta for which belt? For finding theta for which belt? Cross belt drive. So here plus will come and here also plus will become 180 plus 2 sin inverse of R1 plus R2 by X. This is the formula for theta. Next one is the N2 by N1 is equal to D1 by D2. N2 by N1 is equal to D1 by D2. So everything is there. With the help of that you will get the value of D1. With the help of that you will get the value of D1. If this D1 is equal to, if you want to find out R1, R1 is equal to D1 by 2, R1 is equal to 0.75 divided by 2, here you will get the value of R1. This is the value of D1 and this is the value of R1. Next for cross belt drive, here plus will come, here plus will come, here plus will come and here plus will come and here plus will come. So if you now you have to find out the value of this one. If plus will come, what is the value of this one? So here 180 plus 2 sin inverse of R1 plus R2 by 4, x value is equal to 4. So 198, how much you will get value here? 198 degree, 198 degree. So here 198 degree into pi by 180, pi by 180, 198 into pi by 180. So pi by 180, how much you got? 3.45. So here 3.45 radiant, the answer should be in radiant. 3.45, the answer should be in radiant. 3.45, the answer should be in radiant. After that belt ratio you have to find out. This theta previously was 3.07, now you have to change the theta. In place of that what you have to write? 3.45, 3.45. So here e to power of ratio, e to power of, what is the value here? In bracket 0.3 into 3.45, 0.3 into 2.81, this is 2.81, 2.81. Whatever the changes is there between the open and cross, that one I am writing with the red, okay na? Then V is as usual pi d n by 60, d1 is equal to 0.75, velocity you will get 7.85 meter per second. Then power also same formula is there, but here theta value will be changed. Previously the theta value will be this one, now theta how much you got? 3.45. So here you have to write 3.45, theta value how much you have to write? 3.45. So this one will be changed. So here answer will be 1 minus in the ratio of 1 divided by e to the power of in bracket 0.3 into 3.45, 3.45, 0. How much you got here? 0.644, 0.644. Then multiply with this, answer into 7.85, answer into, so 5 point, here you will got 5.06, 5 here you write 5.06. So T1 value you will get 5.06. So here the value will be 6 into 10 to power of 3 by 5.06. So answer should be 118 5.77, 118 5.77, 118 5.77. If you solve this one, answer divided by 100 into 10. So answer should be 118.57, 1.84, 1.184, 1184 118.5 Newton per mm square. If you are substituting in mm, like this you have 118 point. So whenever cross belt is given in your question, so what you have to do, here you have to make as plus and here also you have to make as plus. From this you will get the value of d1 and theta. Wherever the minus is there, that one you have to convert it into theta. This is the belt ratio and this is the velocity, and this one is the T1 and this one is the sigma, 118.5 Newton per mm square. Like this you have to find out whenever cross belt is given. Previous one what is given? Open belt drive is given, and this one what is given? Cross belt drive. With the help of open belt drive and cross belt drive, as you can see the difference of a open belt drive, here minus is there and here also minus is there, but in cross belt drive here plus is there and here also plus is there. You have to remember this one for open belt drive and cross belt drive.